Did you forget about me? This video took so fucking long to produce, so consider this as a little Christmas present from me to you. I live in the Generale Tower in Milano, Italy. On the 44th floor. My name is Gumbo's Weird Corner. I'm 21 years old and obsessed with pilk. I believe in taking care of myself, and a balanced diet, and a rigorous exercise routine. In the morning, if my face is a little puffy, I'll put on my favorite cap while doing my push-ups. With the help of my waifu, I can do almost 3 now. In the shower, I use a 1.5 liter bottle of Pepsi Max. I'm fucking waterboarding myself with Pepsi, I'm so fucking retarded, holy shit. Then, approximately 500 milliliters of full-fat milk, which I also use as an exfoliating gel scrub. I apply an extremely expensive herb mint facial mask, which I leave on while I check my Discord messages and roleplay as a Filipino online. There's an idea of a Gumbo's Weird Corner, but there's no real me. Only an entity. Something illusory. Yearning for pilk. And though I can hide my cold gaze, you can shake my hand and feel a pilk-covered hand gripping yours. And maybe you can even sense our lifestyles are probably comparable. I simply am not there.
You should build a bomb.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the Maltese, no, the Slovenian, I mean Estonian countryside. So I'm kind of retarded, and I recently gained quite a few new viewers and subscribers.
Go to the internet.
Some might even say I have blown up. So I thought, what better way to commemorate this occasion than to get a few Pringle cans and copy a very sketchy tutorial by some cat from the renowned Fate series. If the Osama video didn't put me on a watch list, this will for sure. But before we get into the video, a word from our sponsor, my Patreon. Do you have money? Do you maybe even have a little too much money? Then you can, like this fine gentleman wants to do, give it to me, and you can in return get your name plastered on the videos, as well as a cool color in the Discord server. Did I tell you there's a Discord server? Wow, look at this, so cool! Because I wouldn't really be a real YouTuber if I didn't have at least one grooming accusation against me.
You smell me?
So come join the aptly named Grooming Central #1, which is probably going to be a very shitty server initially, but who knows, maybe you can meet the EGF there? Look at these statistics, maybe one of the users might be female? I don't know. Back to the video. So you're probably wondering how I got a hold of 1.5 kilograms of gunpowder. Well, it's a long story. It was... Okay, so we're back. This is week 2. This is the setup right now. It's a board with a hinge, door hinge, and a car battery. I have no idea why the bomb didn't go off the last time. What I'm thinking is that there's not enough surface area connected to the car battery, which hinders it from setting off. So I've switched the clamp slightly to give it more surface area contact in order for the fucking metal wool to go orange or whatever. So let's try it. As you can see, it's connected. Now I wonder why. Oh, look. Let's go.
The next day.
It is now 10 a.m. on Sunday. We'll see if this works. That was way less intense than I would have hoped for. So I'm gonna go buy a PVC pipe and try again. If you're wondering why this video took so long to film, you can see how dark it is outside right now. It's 13:40 right now. Very dark outside. Very shit place to live. Making pipe bombs and drinking Monster Energy. Yeah, I'm living the life.
The next day.
So that fucking sucked, but thank you for 25,000 subscribers. Well, it's probably something more like 27,000 when this video gets released. Obviously, the explosion was a little bit smaller than I would have liked, but I know a guy, so I'll try to get a hold of some better stuff for the next milestone, depending on how fast I hit it. But to end this shit, join my fucking Discord server, link in the description. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.